we got open space. Let's see what these Helium tires are about. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today we're putting Helium in my two-stroke dirt bike. It's supposed to make it a lot lighter, so hopefully wheelies and, you know, just doing some combos will be easier. So let's see what happens. So gang, as you can see, we got my beautiful Helium bottle right here. It's supposed to be for balloons, but I connected a bike pump. Oh! But like I was saying, I connected a bike pump and just taped it up to this little valve that it came with. But I'm super surprised to see like what's actually gonna happen. Like, is the bike gonna feel a ton lighter? Is it gonna feel different when I'm like doing wheelies? I have no idea. I've seen someone do it on a BMX bike before, and he said the bike got way lighter and just felt totally different than it does with like normal air in the tire. So this is gonna be crazy. Let's get into it. All right, gang, here's the moment of truth. Will my bike pump work? And hopefully the Helium will go in. Oh my God, it worked. Let's go to the front tire, get that one all pumped up with some Helium, hop on the bike, and just see how this thing shreds. Yo, this, oh, I wonder what's gonna happen. We might float away, bro. We might float away in a wheelie, who knows. Turn on Helium, step 2. And it's leaking. Uh-oh, what's happening? We had a malfunction, boys. We got a little bit of air though in it. I thought this thing was gonna blow up, bro. I don't know if you've seen my face, but I was scared. I was like, I don't know what to do. I was like, I need to unplug it so the air can at least go somewhere and my tire doesn't explode. All right, it's filled. Yeah, as you can see, my face. But we got it done. We got it done, bro. Let's hop on the bike, put the helmet on. All right, gang, we got the helmet on. We got my two-stroke dirt bike with Helium-filled tires, or tubes, I shall say, same sort of thing. But yeah, let's start this bad boy up and see what happens. Yo, gang, we're off. We're on the two-stroke with Helium tires, and so far, I mean, it feels pretty normal. I haven't pulled up any wheel skis or anything yet. It does feel like a little lighter. Just a little bit, like, it's hard to explain. It has that a little bit more of a quickness to it. I like it. All right, we got open space. Let's see what these Helium tires are about. Okay. It feels pretty good, dude. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, so far, there's a slight difference. I ain't gonna, you know, fool you guys and say like, holy crap, the bike's like floating away. But it definitely feels a tiny bit skinnier, if you're catching my drift. Like, the bike feels a tiny bit lighter, a little more nimble. I'm gonna take it off-roading and see what like the off-road life is like. But for the wheelies, as you can see, like, it felt very similar, but just, it felt a little more free. It's hard to explain. It felt just a little more casual, float-in, free. It's a vibe. I'm gonna check on my tires real quick. Bro, they still got air. I don't know if that's the thing with like Helium, if it doesn't last. Like, if the air doesn't, I don't think the air lasts as long. All right, we're in the off-road section. Woo! Oh, we're sliding, bro. It's a little wet. I forgot it rained earlier. Bro, even the off-road feels good. Oh my gosh, bro. Look over here, dude. What is that, dude? I think it's a dead boar or something. It looks like a boar. Some type of... I don't freaking know. All I do know is there's freaking diamondback rattlesnakes over here, because I seen one the other day. And I'm a little sketched out, dude. I feel like homie's gonna just come out of nowhere, out of this grass, and, you know, take me over.
Yo, so overall, there's not that big of a difference. I think it's a few pound difference, maybe a 2-3 pound difference, which you could feel it, but then you don't. Like, it's such a barely, the bike is already so light that like even making it lighter, you barely feel it. It's hard to explain. Maybe on like a 450 dirt bike that's, you know, already heavier and you put Helium in it, it might make a big difference. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out here in Florida. It's definitely hot as balls, as you can see, dude. Putting the Helium in the tires, I almost had a heat stroke. That's how hot it was. The last few days I've been seeing like gators in here, like big gators. They're just chilling right on the wall, dude, and you can walk right next to them. Eventually they jump in the water, but dude, for some reason I feel like just going straight with the Helium, it almost makes the tires a little more bouncy than they usually are. Maybe because they're a little lighter, like the air in them like has more room to move. I don't know, but like if you look at my front end, it's sort of like dunk a dunk a dunk, and I don't think it usually does that. I don't really notice that usually, so maybe it's always done that and I'm crazy. But bro, I'm wearing oh my god, look at my feet, bro. I was gonna say I'm wearing Yeezys, but now these are freaking nature Yeezys. Holy ball, dude. That's it. Woo! We made it back into my garage. Oh, just gotta sit down real quick, bro. It's hot as tits, dude. So, it worked, bro. You can put Helium in your dirt bike tires or tubes, and it'll work just like normal air. Who would have known? It would even make your bike lighter, dude. It'll make it feel a little more nimble, a little more in control. But the thing is, I don't think the air will last that long. I'm gonna test it out and see, and just look in the comments, and I'll probably put in the comments how long it took for the air to go out. But I mean, dude, it's freaking sick. Like I was saying, if you have like a 450, maybe putting Helium in your tires might help just a little bit, give you like 2 or 3 pounds less, and it just might help, you know, make it a little more nimble and have you able to control it a little easier. But yeah, man, this 2-stroke is still like one of my favorite bikes. I'm planning on getting a 4-stroke soon, so a 450 4-stroke, of course. And maybe I'll do Helium in that and actually see the difference between a 2-stroke and a 4-stroke bike. But this bad boy right here, see, is so dialed, bro. Everything has just been perfect with the bike. Like, I've just had no problems. So like, shout out the 2-stroke gods out there blessing me, blessing my soul. I appreciate it. And I don't know if I said this yet, but if you're wondering like, yo, MotoBroo, where the hell did you get Helium at? I just went to the Walmart, the local Walmart, and alright gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I got some banger videos coming soon, so stay motivated. We have merch in the description down below. I'm doing a new drop soon, so get ready for that. I'm gonna have all new, what do you call it, designs and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I freaking love you. Till next time, peace gang.